Welcome to Real Estate Talk with Tom. I'm your host, Tom Herzmann with Oakridge Real Estate, and today we have Bob Borcherding with Veridian Credit Union. He's a mortgage originator at Veridian. Thanks for joining us today, Bob.
Yeah, my pleasure. Thank you.
Yeah. Today I wanted to talk to you about things for people to avoid doing after they apply for their mortgage.
Okay, great question. So, yeah, when somebody applies for a mortgage, pre-qualification, we'll talk to you about this, but, just try to keep everything kind of where you're at, the status quo. The biggest thing is, don't go out and make any big purchases. And why don't you do that? A couple of reasons. One would be that's going to be a new potential debt on your credit report, and any new debt that's not, that out there that long has not a great impact on your credit score. The other thing it could potentially affect is, how much could you afford? Depending on what that debt is, what that payment is, it could affect what you could afford.
Right.
So, as far as credit goes, that's just, once you apply, just don't go buy anything else. Just wait till you get the house and then buy the furniture or whatever else you're looking at. So that would be the biggest thing. And I guess, maybe an obvious thing too would be, if you're gonna change jobs, let me know. Of course, try not to quit your job, but we want to see that income staying the same. But sometimes that's life. You have to make a switch, and just get a hold of us so we can talk you through that and see where we're going to be after that.
So you're saying, as far as if somebody's wanting to, redo kitchen cabinets, furniture, don't go out and do that yet. Wait till, again, after you close.
Definitely. Yeah, and I know that gets exciting when you're going to find a house, but again, what's going to happen if you go, we got all new living room furniture, that's great. What happens is wherever you buy that at, they're going to inquire about your credit, and then that's a hit on your credit score, and then it's going to be a new debt, and that's a hit kind of on your debt ratio, which we'll talk about later. But so yeah, just try to wait till we close the house, and then do what you want there. But
okay. Mm-hmm. Anything else they should avoid doing?
I think that's primarily it. Just just keep the job as it was, hopefully, unless you have to do something, and then just keep your debts as they were when you came in and applied. That would be the biggest thing. So,
okay.
Yep.
What about somebody that has old debt that was like a judgment or a collection, something like that? Should they go ahead and pay those, or should they contact you before doing
question.
that?
Yeah, so that kind of just depends. So when you're in and we pull a credit, we'll hopefully see if that's on there, and then sometimes you may need to pay a collection off, but sometimes you may not. Especially if it's medical, you probably don't need to. So definitely come talk to us, to me, and then we'll guide you as to let's just leave it, or maybe we should pay it, and it's going to have this effect on you if you do. So
okay.
But yeah, just call us first. So.
All right. Speaking of calling you, where can people get a hold of you for more information?
You bet. So I'm located at our main branch at Veridian on Amesboro Avenue. Direct phone number to me in Waterloo is 236-5637, or email is bobmb, so BOBMB at veridiancu.org.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us today, Bob. I really appreciate it.
My pleasure.
This is Real Estate Talk with Tom, and until we see you next time, thank you.